so today is floor day. We're putting that down, we're just putting all the battens and stuff and that in, and then putting in the insulation, can't say it any other way.
Say it that way.
Apparently I don't say that correctly, so I don't know. So we've made ourselves a little workshop because it's quite rainy and windy and stuff and that today, and this is what it looks like. So this is our little gazebo workshop, just to try and keep a little bit dry. Nice hoover, wheelie bin, standard stuff. I guess I'm going to have to clean all this up. And here's Louise. And our lovely flooring. So we've just cleaned the floor and put out where the battens are going to go, and then we're going to glue them down now.
Yeah, so I've gone for 33 mil battens, which will sit in the lower ridge, and then I can use 25 mil Celotex to come up level with it.
This is the mother-in-law, come to distract us. What do you want, Jodie?
2.99s, please.
It's not the ice cream truck yet. Is that it?
Yeah.
Is that what you came for?
Yeah.
Should they you?
Oh.
That is the wonderful Joni.
Yeah, so I've bought these at 33, and then the insulation will sit on top of those, which will bring it up flush, and then I've got some 25 mil battens somewhere which I'll use to go across, so it will sit on the ridges. Yeah, but for now we've just cut the big long battens. I thought it was going to be a lot easier than what it was, because this floor is all over the place, so I've had to take out like little notches like here. I don't know if you can see that. I've got like a dent coming up, and rather than try and smash the panel back, I don't even know if I could, I've just had to notch round those, but I think every single batten pretty much has got some sort of notch in it. At that end I've had to take out a piece there, so we're going to stick these in, let that go off, and then I'll come back and do the cross pieces, because I need to make sure they're going to be where the ply joins. So yeah, we're just going to stick those in with this type of adhesive. I've just got this Duraflex 40 again. Most people use Sikaflex, it's pretty much the same thing. So we'll stick it down, stick a load of bricks on it, wait for that to go off, and then we'll come back for the next bit. So Emily's going to help, she's going to cut some wood.
Right, Louise, that's not even funny.
Let me just see if I can show you what she's trying to do. So this should be good.
Go away. You put me under pressure, Louise. Louise, don't film me. Louise, go.
Don't cut your thumb off, just look at you can't.
Here, look.
Okay.
Go away, stop filming me doing it. Day 2 of the floor.
Morning. So we took all the bricks off and started putting in the insulation. So it's hard work.
Yes.
Let's have a look.
I need to tiptoe.
I'll just do that. Yeah.
Thanks. This is where we've got to so far.
Yep. So the Kingspan's going in. So they're fitting nice and flush. So I'm quite happy with that. So yeah, I'm just cutting them. Emily's then hoovering out and cleaning, and then they drop it in.
Obviously, because I'm clean up crew.
Because she's clean up crew. And then these little pieces here, we've got a few little gaps. We'll just fill those up with expanding foam. No, not expanding
No,
foam.
we're not.
We're not using that. We're
We're
using
using
plastic.
Yeah, recycled plastic.
And then we'll foil tape over all the joins and whatnot.
That's my job.
That's Emily's job. Well, we'll see. Emily might start it.
I probably won't finish it.
I definitely won't finish it.
That's not nice, is it?
That's true. So yeah, we're going to crack on with that. And we'll probably... You're going to film it or not?
Yeah.
Yeah? So we'll film the rest of that. This stuff's easy to cut. I'm just doing it with you can cut it with a saw, just a hand saw, or a Stanley blade. I'm just doing mine with a Stanley blade. Yeah. So it's exciting times, and we're just waiting for the ply to be delivered, so that hopefully will all be in today.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Oh, check that out.
Yeah. It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, can you get me enough bit of wood? I'll make this.
Oh, it's recording. I've been recording that whole time.
Yeah, it's fine.
Hi.
Yeah, grab yourself a bit of wood like that. I'll use it as a stepping one. So Emily's just filling in the little gaps that I got left with the
this
recycled
stuff?
plastic. Yep. It's a bit of a pain to cut, but
I use good scissors.
good scissors. And then she's just gonna, I'd do a
Do a
piece
little
across,
strip.
and then yeah, and then she's just gonna tape over that
Good scissors.
with the good scissors. I'm not allowed to touch the good scissors.
No, they're my sewing scissors.
So yeah, and we're just gonna do that. I mean, we're gonna have like here. There's gonna be a gap that needs filling, so she'll do the same in there. And then she'll tape over all the battens while I continue to cut the Kingspan. Are you loving it?
Woohoo! So we've had to move down to my work so that we could do it inside because it's just really rainy and horrible out there. Louise is just pulling something along so she can do the ply.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, and then we're gonna put the ply down because now the van is, if you have a look, has all of the flooring done. Looks lovely. And FYI, I did finish all the taping. Hope she doesn't bang into anything. So we've nearly finished the floor. I've been napping because I'm very tired today, but I'm going to go and see what Louise is doing and see how far she's got. So yesterday we had put the 2 pieces of pie in and I only had 1 left to do, so we'll see how she's got on. Here she is. All done?
Yeah, you're all done. I just got a few more screws in.
Was that it?
For today, yeah.
Oh, we did also go out earlier and get some wood for the floor of what we're going to have it. So this is going to be our floor.
Yeah, Emily wants it in today, but no, it's not happening.
Why on earth not?
So this is day 3. I wouldn't say it's taken us 3 days. The first day was probably half a day that was putting all the battens in, but I wanted to give the adhesive like a good 24 hours to go off. Yesterday was a full day, and then today we've just been, well, I've just been doing this last bit, and then, so probably, I'd say about 2 full days. I mean, we sodded about a lot because of the weather, so we was constantly packing up, getting tools back out, packing up, getting tools back out, going down to your work, so. But yeah, so that's the flooring. The biggest problem was the floor was just all over the place, so I wanted this straight, because when we lay this, I wanted to just go down flat, and then we haven't got any dips, and I didn't want any rattles with the battens when we're driving along, because it'd be my nutting. But yeah, that's day 3, that's the floor, that's the subfloor done. We've still got this to do. We're going to do the living quarters in the laminate, and the garage under the bed, we're going to do that in some sort of hardware in vinyl, because that's where all the muddy boots and dog stuff and that goes. So yeah.
So yeah.
Day 3 is done. So if you want to see the next stage or any of the previous stages, just subscribe and then we'll go from there.
Don't know what she just done there. I think it's a little bit over the top.